Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to see history in Facebook, and now let's dive right in. Now to see or check your history on Facebook, first open up your Facebook app on your phone and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to see or check your history. And at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is a three-line icon in a small profile picture just below the messenger icon. Tap on there. And over here guys, again at the top right corner of the screen just beside the magnifying glass icon, there is the settings or the gear icon. Tap on it. And over here guys, you'll be required to scroll down until you can find the activity log under the category of your activity. Tap on activity log. And over here guys, you'll be able to see all of your history on Facebook from your activity across Facebook, your personal informations, connections, security and login informations. You can see over here logins and logout devices and your preferences, your logged in information on which these devices or location does it remain. And after that you can see your public post histories over here. So to do that, let's tap on your activity across Facebook for just a demo purpose of how does the history show up on Facebook. So you can see the manage comments and reactions button available over. If you tap on it, you'll be able to view your comments and reaction histories over here. You can see, and after that you can also manage your post history over here. Let's let it load. And over here all of the videos you watched on Facebook will be available over here. And let's go back. You can search like public tags, page likes, followings, added friends. You can see your video search, which video you had searched on Facebook. And after that your watched videos will be available over here also. And after that you can search the history. You can see your search history on Facebook. You can see all of the things you have searched on Facebook over here, and also choose to delete them if you want to by tapping on the three dotted icons, and you can see the delete will appear at the bottom of the screen. Similarly, you can delete any of these. And with that being done guys, you can see your comments, likes, reactions, group posts. All of your history will be available over here. And guys, this is how you see or check your history on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.